Welcome back to the English Word is Spoken and Written English. I am MD Ryan Islam, a spoken trainer and writer of English Word. You know that a unique book of English language and grammar has already published for all types of learners and competitive exams. You can collect the books from the market, and you know that if you want to be eligible, if you want to be a fluent speaker and eligible writer, you must follow the serial way of English language. When you are going to learn English language, you must follow some chapters serially and attentively. Look at this book. The name of the book, English Word. You can see here the book for all types of learners and competitive exams, especially for BA, B.Ed, MA, MBA, UPSC, WBCS and other governmental services. To get this book, you will be benefited and will get the ability of speaking English fluently and write something about any kind of topic. I think the English language is an important language to all the people of the world. Most of the countries have respected this language importantly, and this language is used in various kinds of departments like school, college and university. You know that at Lalbagh, the English Word is Spoken and Written English has been opened near basic camp. Hundreds of students are coming to be admitted, to be trained how to speak English fluently and write something. I think to get a respectable job and to get a respectable positions, you must know speak English. We all know that English language has been considered as the global language. If you want to travel in any country, if you know English language properly and correctly, you can communicate with the people of the world. I will post the videos serially. If you want to be trained from home, you have to follow the serial videos on YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel, The English Word. You will get the regular videos. And I also request to you, you have to follow the serial way of learning English and serial classes also. I think English language is a foreign language, and to learn foreign language we have to pay attention to learn anything carefully. I think if you follow my channel and regular videos, you will get the art of speaking English and writing English. I will make the videos regularly and post also. If you want to get more videos from my channel, everybody is requested to view every class. And finally, I am going to tell, nobody will forget to subscribe, to like, comment, share. Thank you so much everybody for watching this video. Thank you so much everybody.